When installing, please make sure the cable plug is inserted deep enough. Plug the 2-pin red and black cable connector to PCU gimbal port. Get through the 4-pin cable connector down below the carbon frame and wait for G2P gimbal. On the other side, plug the 2-pin cable connector to APS-M flight controller data port. Make screws through gimbal mount. Install the mount on gimbal. Please note, the screw of gimbal mount must be faced upward. Make gimbal damper through gimbal mount. Before installing G2P gimbal, please plug on the 4-pin power cable and 6-pin image cable firstly. When tightening the 4 screws on G2P gimbal, make sure not to over-tighten, that will affect damper function. Finished.